Hi, it's Billy and Eris from Grounded Goodlife. You know, for the last 10 years, there is something that we have added to virtually every single thing that we make in our kitchen. Nobody knows about this. It's not like it's a secret, we just never thought to share. But we are so in love with this thing's health benefits, we decided to turn it into a product. And we are very simply calling the product Stir.
So Stir is a blend of my 4 favorite herbs. They're so nutrient dense and they can help such a wide variety of health issues, and they're good for so many people. So the herbs are moringa, nettle, spirulina, and burdock root. Stir is a blend of 4 tonic herbs, and tonic herbs are used to nourish, tone, and restore the organ systems of the body, encouraging them to perform at their peak capacity and function.
And I think the real beauty of Stir is that it dissolves, but more importantly, it's tasteless. So you can put it in anything from scrambled eggs to spaghetti sauce to smoothies to truffles to, I don't even, meatloaf. What else there? Any kind of cake batter. Taste-wise, you will never know it's there. But health-wise, that's a whole different story. Don't be put off by its pale green color. It will not turn your favorite cake recipe green. Let's talk about the 4 herbs. So we know it's a buzzword, but moringa really truly is a superfood, and people who consume it regularly, they report an increase in endurance and energy. So get this, moringa has 4 times more calcium than regular cow's milk, 25 times more iron than spinach, 15 times more potassium than a banana, 4 times more vitamin A than a carrot, and 7 times more vitamin C than an orange.
Next up is nettle, and yes, this is stinging nettle, but don't worry, you will not be stung. Nettle is high in all kinds of vitamins and minerals. It provides optimum nourishment. It's a kidney and adrenal restorative, diuretic, blood purifier, astringent, anti-inflammatory, vulnerary, hormone balancer, and a natural antihistamine.
So you probably know that spirulina is an algae and is considered the most nutritionally complete of all food supplements. This is pretty cool. In 1994, a Russian patent was awarded to spirulina as a medical food to reduce allergic reactions from radiation sickness. So 270 kids who were victims of Chernobyl, it really helped them greatly. You can do the research on that. So today, unfortunately, we're subjected to an onslaught of toxic chemicals in our air and our water and our food and our drugs, no matter how cleanly we eat. And our bodies need to be continually eliminate these toxins, and spirulina is perfect for that.
And the final herb is burdock root, which gently encourages the body to remove waste at a proper rate without overstimulation. And it's a gentle tonic that cleanses, increases digestive fire, invigorates the body, supports the lymphatic system, and clears up skin conditions. You can even count on burdock to harmonize and rebalance the immune system.
As most of our followers know, Eris and I use no form of allopathic medicine. We're hardly ever sick, and people always comment on our enthusiasm and our energy. We both believe that food and diet, they're the most important components of good health, and adding Stir to everything that comes out of our kitchen is a daily practice for real.